Crypto billionaire 69 back with another potential altcoin analysis video. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Suiko. This is an endorsed video. However, I am excited to test out this altcoin, this potential altcoin, because it is a game. And it's not like any other game. It's almost like Mortal Kombat type vibes. We'll be getting into that later, but I just want to go in depth for you guys and show you what this is about. Okay, let's get into it. So, Suiko, by gamers for gamers, the future of multiplayer gaming experience. Fistbone, I love it. Suiko is doing a giveaway of $100 to the first 5 people to be the owner, capo, and team member wide dot in Suiko 2D multiplayer fighting game. When? 26/11/2021. That's right, that's today. What time? 10 p.m. 10 o'clock p.m. UTC. Where? Suiko Telegram. Alright? If you guys are interested, go check out the Telegram, and the website is here as well. So, we'll go over to the website soon. But yeah, they just, pretty cool. I'm excited to see how this game develops. I have some, behind the scenes information that the 2D version is out. Had to turn that down. The 2D version is out. However, they will be releasing a 3D version once they are ready. So this is the website, and it looks pretty dope in my opinion. The future of multiplayer gaming experience by gamers for gamers, inspired by Suiko, beloved. Character of One Punch Man. Alright. This is cool. You can join and then see the chart right here. 970,000 market cap. My friends, that is low. This is extremely risky. However, you can make some wonderful, magnificent gains if you decide to get in at this point. I don't even think it's on CoinMarketCap at this moment. But it will be soon. Just know that. So, yeah, if you want to hop in, now would be the time. This is extremely risky though, so do not bet your whole life savings, because this seems like a good game and everything, but it's not yet established. So, yeah, guys, only invest money you can afford to lose. We are not here to lose our life savings in cryptocurrency, alright? We're here to make money and invest in good projects like this one potentially. Now, I want to test out the game. I want to talk to the developers a little more before I can really give you guys an in-depth opinion on where this thing could go, okay? So right now, this is just simply, I'm going over the website and I am bringing it to your guys' awareness as well as mine that this is out there. Like I said, this is an endorsed video, and I am a holder of this coin because I am in before we even hit $1 million market cap. I'm excited about that. The first crypto multiplayer dual game. Yeah, cool. So, that's being said, this is an endorsed video, but I am entitled to say whatever the heck I want. If I hate this project, I'm going to say it. And if I love this project, I'm also going to say it. So right now, like I said, this is just simple. We're going over the website and the Twitter and everything that is potential for this coin. Okay, about Suiko. First crypto multiplayer dual game. Liquidity locked and ownership renounced. Live game. First version of 2D game is live to play. We are growing organically, no Telegram and Twitter bots. We answer all of our community's questions. Cool. Our vision, to become the most trusted blockchain gaming platform. Our mission, to create an enjoyable and transparent environment in blockchain gaming. Our values, teamwork, relationship, integrity, dedication, transparency. I like how they have their values here. That's important. This is the contract address. If you guys are looking to get Suiko, I'll leave the link to the website in the description. You can join their Telegram, Reddit, and Twitter. Let's go to Reddit and see what they're looking like over here. Oh, I can't log in. But yeah, okay, cool. Just joining the idea what it doesn't tell. Money on coins. What trading platforms? Suiko. So what trading platforms, to answer your question, Brutal Guts? Uniswap. You got to get it on Uniswap right now. Just because we are not on we're not even on crypto or coin market cap yet. So this thing has a lot of growing to do. There's a video here. We can watch it, but I'm not going to. You guys should come to the website and watch it. It's really sick. It's pretty much, it goes over the characters. Suiko. She carries qualities of leadership using her strongest skill, communication, to spread the importance of peace, to unite people through creativity. Alright, cool. So that is this. Fig. This is giving a little outline of all the characters. It's really cool. Tokenomics. To buy 10%, 5% marketing, 2% developer, 2% liquidity pool, 1% treasury. Okay. To sell 15%, 10% prize pool in ETH, 2% marketing, 2% development, 1% treasury. So treasury, it's pretty much think of the government, right? Taxes, they have a government treasury. That is the same thing. It's like money stored. 2% liquidity pool. That means it is put when you buy 10%, it is put 2% of it back into the liquidity pool so other people can buy or sell. Development, that goes to the developers. 5% marketing to go to the market. Cool. And sell for 10%. Prize pool in ETH. So I guess there would be a prize pool to those who win. Oh, that would be sick. If you can win real money in this game, that would be dope. 2% marketing, 2% to the developers, 1% to the treasury. All right. So overall, looking good. The How to Play guidelines. Ask for password in Suiko Telegram group. Game beta is web browser game. Use Google Chrome. Turn off VPN for best result. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Find the opponent in Suiko Telegram group. Cool. It's okay. Here's the little awesome. These are the controls. ASF attack, space, special attack, arrow keys, movement. Pretty simple. Roadmap. Stage 1. Stealth launched. 2D game demo release. Website updated. 2D game new characters. Oh, cool. They're adding new characters. CoinGecko listing. Once we see the CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing, this thing will skyrocket. Because it will just be more... There'll be more notoriety around it. People will be like, wow, this game's pretty dope. 2D game wallet. Now, I'm not saying that. I need to play the game before anything, okay? But based on the characters, it looks pretty dope. Based on that video that I watched, it looks pretty dope. But I do need to watch it. Play it before I give you guys an in-depth analysis. Right now, this is simply speculative. I'm just going over their website. CoinMarketCap listing, 2D game wallet integration, 2D game leaderboards, 3D game release, betting DApp integration, live tournaments with ETH prize pool, NFT marketplace, CEX listing, centralized exchange listing. That's cool. Join Suiko now. 2021 at Suiko. Cool. So guys, I would definitely say if you, go check it out. Keep updated. Follow their Twitter. Follow their Reddit. Because if they are doing what they're saying they're going to do, and they make a really dope game, now this is the 2D version, they will be coming out with a different version in the future. I don't know if I'm allowed to disclose that information, but hey, I'm doing it. Alright, so, yeah guys, keep your eyes on this. Go follow the Reddit, the Twitter. I'm personally in this coin. I'm hodling until this thing comes to fruition, because I definitely want to see. I want to play this game before anything. All right, I'll do that in another video for all of you guys that are interested. I'll play this game, and I'm super excited about that. But for now, my friends, go check it out. Suiko, go check it out. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.